Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we got to discuss another All-Star Weekend release, which we got coming up, which is the Jordan 6 Infrared, man. This is such a clean pair, or the Infrared Salesman. I guess that's the name for it. Hopefully I said the right model as well. I'm pretty sure it's on a 6. I don't know why I'm like, my mind's kind of been a little bit racing this morning. I've been pretty tired, but we're getting it done. We're getting this video out, and I'm back on that consistent upload grind for you guys, so stay tuned. Hey, follow me on all my socials below, Instagram, TikTok. I'm about to do my first live there this weekend, so make sure y'all give me a follow there, all right? Or not this weekend, probably like midway through this week, actually. I'll let y'all know what day I end up deciding to do that, but we got a TikTok live coming. We're going to start doing that and the Whatnot live, so follow us down below. Make sure y'all stay tuned there, and if there's any other questions you guys got about this release or anything else, just let me know in the comments. We're pretty much going to hop straight into it. If you like content like this, subscribe and like for more. This is the type of video that well, as you can see, I cannot speak today, but if you like this type of stuff, hey, just stay tuned here. Feel free to drop a like. Let me know what you think about this shoe in the comments, and let's just dive into it.
Hey guys, quick thing. I'm actually editing this video right now. If y'all want to check out my website, Restock, down below. We just restocked a ton of things today. I'm actually still loading stuff up. Just use code WICK15. You can get 50% off everything, including the Travis Scott fragments. I know those are pricey, but if anyone's a big baller, you can get 50% off them on my site right now. So that's a lot of money off. But if anybody's interested, check it below. Appreciate y'all's support. It means a ton. Just want to let y'all know. And let's get into it.
We have a lot to discuss about this shoe, so that's mainly what I'm trying to get into, is just info about this release. Alright, so as you guys can see, we got the screen recording up, and taking a look at this, y'all can see they even made the sneakers page look different. Look, it's got like a black background, all that. You can tell they tried to make this release look a little bit more professional. Now, that could just be for All-Star Weekend. I think that's a big reason why. You see a lot of the releases that are coming up around All-Star Weekend kind of have this look. You know, they just look a little bit more professional. And this is also such a banger pair. It's been a little bit since they've done these. And look at this sneaker right here. As y'all can see, such a clean pair. I remember when my friends lined up for these way back, and they ended up not flipping, and they ended up selling them for like less than what they paid. I think I might be remembering the wrong shoe, but there was a sneaker that was very, very similar to this one, where we were like all lining up for it, and it ended up just breaking in price completely. Ended up not being worth it at all to go for, but it was a cool sneaker to see. It was a similar sneaker to this one. I don't think it was exactly this, because I think it's been a minute since they've done these, but maybe. I could be wrong. If they did these last time in like 2020-ish, then I think I'm remembering it right. But that's off topic. Let's just get into this sneaker. So February 14th released at 10 a.m. Eastern time. You guys can see it says available on sneakers. So this is not going to be, again, via a draw. You're going to want to be quick on it. Within the first couple minutes, you're going to want to be entered into that drop. Within the first minute or two, really. This is not that type of release where you want to wait to enter, because as y'all can see, they're not giving us 10 minutes to enter for a draw. It's that. So we got men's sizes. Of course, you got grade school, preschool, toddler. You got all sizes dropping for these. So you really don't have to worry about, is there going to be, a full size run for these? Yes, they're dropping all sizes, full family sizing for this sneaker right here, February 14th. Oh my gosh, February 14th at 10 a.m. Eastern time on sneakers. So aside from that drop right here, and again, just such a slick pair. I love this icy soles, man, and just the overall black and red look. So clean. I mean, again, they recently did the infrared 23 lows. Those were really cool. How those had like the infrared hint on them. These look so much nicer though, so I'm very excited for these. And as you guys can see, let's take a look at the resale prices, because I think this is what a lot of people are curious about right now. But keep in mind, February 14th, that's the sneakers drop date. They actually already dropped this morning, I believe via early access, like early shipping access on JD Sports and a couple other retail locations online. So maybe you copped your pair already. If you did, let me know in the comments. Let me know who already got their pair and secured it. I would love to hear that down below. For me, I'm just waiting a bit, because I feel like these will get a bit cheaper. Something about the sneaker, I remember these being cheaper. I could be completely wrong, and again, they could end up not making enough of these, and they end up getting, a lot more expensive at the release. You've seen that sometimes where they don't do a lot on sneakers, and then they shoot up in price. This is that type of sneaker where Nike's going to send a bunch to retailers, but then they may only do 10, 20,000 on sneakers, and then boom, they spike up in price. But I don't think that's what's going to happen. This is a sneaker where I see Nike making a lot of them. If I'm being real with you, even though it is an All-Star Weekend release, I have no doubts that Nike sees this sneaker and they're like, okay, we can make a lot of Jordan 6s. This is a popular model. A lot of people will buy these, and this is one that we can just sell a lot of pairs of. So I think there's going to be good stock for these. If I'm being real with you guys, I don't think there's going to be like a limited amount of infrared 6s. I don't think like it's going to be that hard to get. I mean, you can see the resale prices aren't really like indicating that it's a super limited sneaker. Like $215 retail, resale right now is at $250, for most sizes. Like, you know what I mean? Of course, after fees, you're paying $280, $300. And locally, people are paying $280, $320 on these right now. So, market is still strong. But, you know what I mean? It's like, okay, if we're at $250 right now, we really do need to give these a couple days to see what happens. Because it's just not at that range right now where it's that much of a flip, if I'm being real with you guys. Like, these should be going for more if it was to be one that, again, was going to go for like $300, $400. Maybe, I mean, they already were at that point. But you can see now, they're just much cheaper. So I guess that is one thing that we can mention again about the Jordan 6 Infrared Salesman. Slick pair. Definitely one not to sleep on, but I mean, in terms of resale, it's a personal pair. I'll say that, but I mean, maybe a great local flip. I'll say that. You can buy a lot of these to flip locally. You will have no problem selling these. If you know some people like Jordans, you'll have no problem getting these off and making a profit on them, or to eBay, or even if you're like a live seller, whatnot. I imagine these will actually do pretty good on a couple locations, right? If you just have them in front of people that are interested in them. So store owners aren't going to be buying as many of these as they can also. So, I mean, the market's always going to be there for these. I'll say that, but I mean, the market isn't very high. You know what I mean? And look. The lightning bolt symbol just appeared. Like, you know what I mean? I feel like there would be more sales happening for these right now if there was like a lot of hype. Again, maybe I'm wrong. We'll see what happens over the next couple of days. But I feel like there's, again, people maybe are focusing on other drops that are coming up this All-Star weekend. So just be ready for that. And I wanted to show you all this too. As you guys can see, we got a bunch of raffles online as well. So I'm gonna try and link this down below if I can. Let me see if I won't take a screenshot of it, but I'll just remember this while I'm editing this. Make sure y'all go check out all these raffles down below if they haven't closed already. If you need your pair, you want to enter for a raffle, just secure a few, then hey, you might have to pay a little bit more for the shipping on a couple of these raffles, but some of them might have free shipping, so you need to get in, enter right away, and hopefully you'll be able to take a dub that way. But that's a few raffles that again are online and ready right now for the infrared 6s, aside from just sneakers, in-store locations. Of course, if you got some, homies that work at, the local store locations, then probably just, if they're not stingy about it, then just ask them, you know what I mean? I feel like these are going to be pretty widely available, so like you might actually be able to get a couple, you know what I mean? So that's just my personal thoughts on this. I don't see this being I love the infrared 6s. Again, I'm not hating on this pair. I don't want this to be like taken as like me hating on the sneaker. Like please don't take this video as me hating on them. Like I like this sneaker. I would wear these every day. Like it's actually my color scheme. Look, I'm literally wearing like a, like pretty close. Like, I like red. It works, especially on this shoe. Jordan 6, red. This is nice. Actually looks kind of similar to those bin 23s we got coming up. Those are super limited as well. I know they don't look the exact same, but they also got all black on them as well, right? So kind of a similar thing. But let me just end the screen record because I'm on my Yap sesh right now, right? But just understand resale is around like, again, 230 to 260 right now. But if I'm being real with you guys, these aren't flipping like crazy right now. It's an amazing personal pair, and I'm sure that again you'll be able to make some strong sales locally. Like you're going to be able to make a profit on these as long as you sell them to the right place, right? Like don't just sell them directly through StockX, because you can see that's where the bulk sellers are selling them through, right? They're getting them probably for like 180, 200, so they're making plenty of money right now for the prices they're selling at, right? But and they'll still be making plenty of money after they drop at those prices, especially at 180. Whew. Some people are getting some killer prices. Let me tell y'all, right? Just give these time. It's my personal opinion. If you really, really want a pair of these, either go for them on drop day and get them for retail, or just wait a couple weeks and maybe they'll even go on to retail in a couple of those smaller sizes. If you got a small foot, you know what I mean, like a 9, 9.5, 10, like your boy. Hey, pretty much what you can say. I guess that's average, but I'm not here to. We're not here to negotiate that, right, Katie? That's my cat. You always see a little photo of her. But yeah, it's pretty much what I can say about the infrared 6 salesman guy. We're gonna keep going over all these releases we got coming up this week. So if there's any release y'all want me to talk about, excuse me, I cannot speak again this morning, then just let me know in the comments. I will be sure to let you guys know, and we'll make a video on it. Just again, drop your thoughts on this sneaker and other ones we got coming up. If you all want to hear a video, just again, let me know down below there. And be sure you guys stay tuned here on the channel, subscribe and like for more. The noble goal we always shoot for is 300 likes. We're back here, man, on the grind. So if y'all can do that for me, that'd mean the world. And make sure you guys follow my Whatnot and TikTok page down below. Don't forget, I'm actually going to do my first TikTok live very, very shortly. We're going to do some banger giveaways on my first TikTok live. If they allow, I got to figure out like all the, how TikTok live works, but if they allow you to do giveaways and stuff like that, then hey, you already know we're gonna be doing. Basically, we'll be doing Whatnot over there. So just stay tuned, man. We're gonna be trying to go live at both locations for you guys. So hope y'all will be staying tuned for that. Make sure y'all check out my website. We just restocked a ton of stuff today down below. Wick Kicks LLC. Use code WICK15 for 15% off everything, sneakers, clothing, everything. I'm talking literally the expensive shoes too, the ones that are thousands of dollars. 50% off those too. So yeah, that's a lot of money. Off and $1,000 sneaker right there. So if y'all want to check that out down below, feel free to go check it out. Support your boy. And we ship internationally. Keep in mind, through my website, we ship anywhere. So if y'all want to go make a purchase, feel free to do that. And yeah, that's really everything I need to say. Hopefully I put that at the start of my video too. Tristan, if you're editing this right now, make sure you mention the website at the start of the video. Okay. Now I'm just yapping. I will see y'all tomorrow on the next one. Appreciate you guys always supporting. And let me know if you want to see a certain video tomorrow. Just drop it down below. I'll try and get that done. See you guys then. Peace out, squad.